When you're out here in the great outdoors, you should be able to cook whatever you want, whether it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, or just a snack. Well, this is all you're gonna need. Outback Barbecue's Trekker has a simple, clever design, which means you can set it up in no time. No matter where you're cooking, the Trekker is ready. You can replace the legs with 3 shorter ones to go from standing to tabletop use. The Trekker's sleek design makes it easy to operate. The cooking surfaces can be changed depending on what you want to eat, but there's a very clever grease trap which makes cleaning and getting rid of the grease nice and easy. Now that's a burger, cooked just how it should be on the Trekker Barbecue from Outback.